Right now we are at the treetop walk at Sungai Sedim. Kolim is in located in Kedah actually. So this is actually the world longest treetop walk. Yeah. So roughly by length it is 925 meter, and by height it's around like 26 meter above the forest level. And it's not actually a long walk. It's not, but the views are breathtaking. I mean, from the top there's this forest. We didn't come across any wildlife, but the forests were beautiful, and also there is waterfall. So it's a brilliant walk actually. Something which is very refreshing for the mind. So a bit of history here. So it took basically around 14 months to build the treetop walk. Okay, and it was done in 2005 March. So there's something. This is not like a regular canopy walk, because it's more like a pedestrian suspension bridge. So it's not sort of a proper canopy walk, because the canopy is not attached to the trees. Okay, but the good thing is it doesn't damage the tree, because the canopy itself is self-supporting, so it doesn't damage the thing. So it's a win-win thing. It's good for the environment, it's good for the tree, because the canopy is not attached to the tree. But the view is brilliant, very refreshing for the eyes as well actually. And the waterfall are amazing. From the top it looks brilliant. Check it out.